Hello everyone. Today is 3 December 2020 on Thursday. How's the weather outside? Cold. And which season is running now? Winter season. So student, today I am going to teach you subject GK and topic our helpers. So student, first I introduce our helpers with flashcard. So student, look this flashcard carefully. Look here. Which picture is this? Tell me. Yes. Which helper is this? Policeman. Which helper is this? Policeman. Who catch thieves? Tell me. Yes. Policeman. Now next. Which picture is this? Tell me. Yes. Doctor. Which helper is this? Doctor. Who treats us when we are sick? Doctor. Now next. What is this? Which picture is this? Milkman. Who brings us milk? Milkman. Now next. Which picture is this? Tell me. Yes. Postman. Which helper is this? Postman. Who brings us postman? Now next. Which picture is this? Tell me. Yes. Cobbler. Who mend our shoes? Cobbler. Now next, which picture is this? Which helper is this? Tell me. Yes, watchman. Now next, which picture is this? Soldier. Now next, which picture is this? Farmer. Which picture is this? Farmer. Okay. So student, today I am going to teach you exercise for our helpers. This flashcard is teacher. This doctor and nurse. Look here, doctor and nurse. And this flashcard is tailor. And this hairdresser. So our first exercise is related teacher. Okay. Circle the things your teacher use in class. So student, look these pictures carefully. Which things used in teacher in our class? Tell me. This? Yes, this is a book. Book. Small book. Look here. Chalk. Pen. Pencil. Colors. Injection. Gum. And duster. So student, tell me which things used in teacher in our class? Yes, book. Which picture is this? Book. So, circle the things your teacher used in class. Circle this book. Now next, look here. Which picture is this? Chalk. Which picture is this? Chalk. These things used in teacher in class. Okay. So, circle the chalk. Now next, which picture is this? Duster. Which picture is this? Duster. So, these things teacher use in class. So, here circle the duster. Now next, which picture is this? Pen. Which picture is this? Pen. These things teacher use in class. So, circle the pen. Okay. Now next, what is this? Pencil. Which picture is this? Pencil. So, circle the pencil your teacher use in class. Okay. These things use in our class. And what is this? Gum. Which picture is this? Gum. So, circle these things. But why these things use in teacher in class? Now next, which picture is this? Crayon. Which picture is this? Crayon. So, circle the crayon. But why? These things use in your class. Okay. Teacher use in class. And which things is this? book. Which picture is this? Book. So student, these things use in class. So circle the book. And look here. What is this? Injection. These things used in class, teacher? No. These things used in doctor. So here not circle. Okay. Repeat again one more time. Circle the things your teacher used in class. Only use class things. Okay. जो चीज़ हम क्लास टीचर क्लास में यूज़ करते हैं उस पर ही सर्कल करना है. ओके. सो विच पिक्चर इज दिस? बुक. दिस पिक्चर इज बुक. व्हाट इज दिस? chalk. And this duster. And this pencil. Pen. This pencil. This gum. And this crayons. So circle the things used in class. Okay. Book, chalk, duster, gum, crayons, pencil and pen. And not circle injection. Okay. And this flashcard is teacher. Okay. Our next exercise is which doctor and nurse. Circle the things our doctor uses treat a patient. So look this flashcard. Which picture is this? Doctor. What is this? Nurse. This ambulance. And this hospital. Okay. Who treats us when we are sick? Doctor. Okay. Circle the things or doctor use in treat a patient. So only circle the things use doctor these things. Okay. So patient, circle the things or doctor used to treat a patient. So what is this? Injection. Which picture is this? Injection. These things used in doctor. So circle the injection. And next, what is this? Tell me. Thermometer. These things used in doctor. So here circle. Now next, what is this? Stethoscope. So we circle used to treat a patient. Okay. Doctor used to patient. And what is this? Tell me. Socks. So we not circle here. These things used in doctor white coat. Okay. So here we circle. These things doctor used to treat a patient. Okay. And what is this? These things used in doctor. Okay. So we circle here. Okay. First aid kit. Okay. And what is this? Medicines. Which picture is this? Medicine. These things doctor used to treat a patient. So here we circle. Okay. And what is this? Which picture is this? X-ray. Which picture is this? X-ray. So here we circle the X-ray. These things used in doctor. Okay. Repeat again one more time. What is this? Injection. Okay. Which picture is this? Stethoscope. What is this? Tell me. Which picture is this? Thermometer. This coat. Okay. Which picture is this? First aid box. And what is this? Medicines. And this X-ray. Okay. These all things used in doctor. And these goggles and socks. Here don't cross. Okay. Don't circle. Circle only doctor used to treat a patient. Injection, stethoscope, coat, thermometer, first aid box, medicines and X-ray. Our next helper is which picture is this? Tailor. Which picture is this? Tailor. So circle the things a tailor used to stitch the clothes. Who stitch our clothes? Tell me. Yes, tailor. Who stitch our clothes? Tailor. So which picture is this? Machine, tailor machine. Okay. So here we circle this. Okay, these things. And what is this? Shampoo. These things uses tailor? No. What is this? Scissor. Yes, these things use stitch the clothes. Okay. So here we circle the scissor. And now next, which picture is this? Fruits chart. So here we don't circle. Okay. And which picture is this? Injection. These things used in tailor? Yes. So here we circle. Okay. And these things used in tailor? Yes. So here we circle. These things tailor used to stitch the clothes. What is this? Stick. And which picture is this? Measure tape. So these things used in tailor stitch the clothes. Okay. So here we circle thread and okay. So repeat again one more time. Look these pictures carefully. Circle the things a tailor used to stitch the clothes. Only circle the tailor using clothes stitch. Okay. This machine, scissor. Okay. Measure tape, thread, these things used in tailor to stitch the clothes. Our next helper is hairdresser. Look here, look this picture. Hairdresser, okay? So, circle the things your hairdresser use. So, circle, look this picture carefully, okay? These things used in hairdresser. So here we circle the, and what is this? Scissor. Which picture is this? Scissor. So here we circle the scissor. And these things used in hairdresser. So here we circle. This hairbrush. Okay. So here we circle these things. And what is this? Shampoo. So here we circle the shampoo. And this comb. These things used in hairdresser. Circle the things your hairdresser use. So these things used in hairdresser. This scissor. Okay, hairbrush, hair color. These things used in hairdresser, hair color. Which thing? Hair colors. Okay. This clip is used in hairdresser. Comb, shampoo. Okay. So these all things used in hairdresser. This whistle, axe not use. Okay. Hairdresser. Our next exercise is circle the things a policeman use. So student, which helper is this? Policeman. Which helper is this? Policeman. So circle the things a policeman use. Okay. So what is this? Gun. Which picture is this? Gun. Now next, which picture is this? Egg. And what is this? Policeman. Okay. Which picture is this? This cloth used in policeman wear. Okay. Which picture is this? Ball. Which picture is this? Stethoscope. This cap. Okay. This cap wear. Okay. What is this? Shoes. And this stick. So student, tell me which things used in policeman? This? Yes. These things used in policeman. So circle these things. And what is this? Egg. These things used in policeman? No. So here not circle. Okay. These things used in policeman. Yes. This policeman. Okay. Now next, look here. This cloth is used in policeman. Yes. So circle here. This, what is this? Wall. These things used in policeman? No. This? No. These things used in doctor. This? Yes. This used in policeman use. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? Cap. Which picture is this? Cap. These things used in policeman. So here we circle. Now next, what is this? Stick. Okay. So these things used in policeman. Circle only the things policeman. Next exercise is cross the odd things in each set. So student, look these pictures carefully and cross odd things. Okay. So which helper is this? Tell me. Yes. Policeman. Which helper is this? Policeman. Policeman. Which things used in policeman? Cap, gun, stick, and what is this? Injection. Which picture is this? Injection. These things each odd. So here we cross. Okay. Policeman use gun, cap, stick. This injection not use policeman. Okay. So cross here. Now next, which helper is this? Hairdresser. Which picture is this? Hairdresser. So hairdresser use comb. What is this? X. Which picture is this? Hairbrush and shampoo. So which things is odd? This. Yes. Hairdresser not use these things. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? Look here. Doctor. Which picture is this? Doctor. And which picture is this? Look here. Look these things carefully. These things use doctor? No. So here we cross. Stethoscope, medicines and injection. These three things use doctor, but these things not use doctor. Now next, what is this? Tailor. Which picture is this? Tailor. Tailor use these things? No, this is gun. Gun use policeman. So here we cross. Gun not use tailor. Okay. These three things, look here. Scissor, machine. These things use tailor. And last, look here. Which picture is this? Teacher. Which picture is this? Teacher. So what is this? Duster. What is this? Pad. And what is this? Stethoscope. Stethoscope use teacher? No. So here we cross. These things not use in teacher. These things in odd. So here we cross. This blackboard. So teacher using blackboard. These things is not used. Okay. Repeat again one more time. Which picture is this? Policeman. Policeman use cap, gun, stick, but not use the injection. So here we cross. These things is odd. So here we cross. Okay. Hairdresser not use these things. Doctor not use these things. So here we cross. What is this? Tailor. Which helper is this? Tailor. Tailor not use gun. These things is odd. So here we cross. Now next, which picture is this? Which helper? Teacher. Which picture is this? Teacher. So teacher not use stethoscope. So here we cross. And look here, our next exercise is write P for the things used by a policeman, D for the things used by a doctor, and H for the things used by a hairdresser. So look these pictures carefully and here write correct letter. Okay. So which picture is this? Stethoscope. So here we write D. D for doctor. So write down here D. These things used in doctor. So here we write D. And what is this? Whistle. Which picture is this? Whistle. So which things use here? Yes, here write P. P for policeman. Policeman use these things. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? Hair dryer. So here we write H. But why? Hairdresser use in these things. Okay. Now next, which picture is this? Hair clip. Which picture is this? Hair clip. So here we write letter H. Hairdresser use this thing. Which picture is this? Gun. And which write P for the policeman. These things use in policeman. So here we write P. These things used in policeman. Now next, what is this? Injection. Who used the injection? Yes, doctor. So here we write D. D for doctor. And next, what is this? Medicines. These things used in doctor. So here we write D. D for doctor. And now next, which picture is this? Comb. Comb use hairdresser. So used by hairdresser. So here we write letter H. H for hairdresser. And what is this? Cap. Police cap. So here we write letter P. P for policeman. So here we write letter P used by a policeman. Repeat again one more time. Okay. Which picture is this? Stethoscope. Which picture is this? Stethoscope. So stethoscope used by a doctor. Which picture is this? Whistle. Whistle used by a policeman. Which picture is this? Hair dryer. Hair dryer used by a hairdresser. Now next, which picture is this? Hair clip. Hair clip used in hairdresser. Which picture is this? Gun. Gun used by a policeman. Which picture is this? Injection. Injection used by a doctor. And next, which picture is this? Medicines. Medicine used by a doctor. Which picture is this? Comb. Comb used by a hairdresser. And which picture is this? Cap. Police cap. These things used by a policeman. So see student, this exercise write in your book number 7 and page number 55 and 56.